Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change the time zone in MetaTrader 5. First, open the MetaTrader 5 app on your phone. From the home screen, tap Settings at the bottom right corner. Now you'll notice that MetaTrader doesn't actually have a built-in option to change the time zone. But don't worry, here's what you can try instead. Close the MetaTrader 5 app completely. Go to your phone settings. Search for region or language and region. Choose a different region from the list. This will adjust your phone's time zone. Once you reopen MetaTrader 5, the platform should reflect the new time based on your phone settings. If the time still doesn't change, it means that the data is coming directly from your broker server, and in that case, the time zone cannot be changed manually. And that's it. That's how to change the time zone in MetaTrader 5. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.